Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Put the A7III into a mode that supports peaking, such as manual or movie. Once done, open the menu and navigate to the peaking setting under Custom Features. Turn peaking on and choose a peaking level that's visible but not overwhelming. Make sure to pick a high-contrast peaking color like red or yellow so edges pop. These steps activate the tool and set it to a usable intensity, so you can actually see focus highlights when you move the lens. Now refine how you use peaking. Enable Focus Magnifier or assign it to a custom button so you can zoom in quickly while peaking highlights remain active. Also, adjust EVF and LCD brightness so the peaking color stays clear under ambient light. Too bright or too dark hides the lines. If you want autofocus assistance, set AF drive or AF mode to allow direct manual override so you can fine-tune focus manually after the camera locks. These choices make peaking both fast and precise. To finish, compose your shot, engage autofocus or start turning the focus ring manually, and watch the peaking highlights. Edges that are crisp indicate critical focus. When dealing with shallow depth of field, briefly use the magnifier with peaking visible to confirm focus on eyes or small details. If peaking misleads you on colorful or high-contrast textures, toggle peaking off and rely on magnified view instead. And if you ever can't see peaking, make sure peaking is enabled in the menu and that your camera firmware is current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.